This is Module 8, Applying Ratios and Rates, Quiz. Number 1. The graph above shows Marnie's rate while walking. Which of the following is an ordered pair on the graph? A, 2, 100, B, 3, 200, C, 4, 250, D, 8, 500. Number 2. Number of students and teachers. Students, 30, 45, 90, 120. Teachers, 2, 3, 6, 8. The table above shows the number of students and teachers at a school. Which of the following represents the number of students? A, teachers times 3, B, teachers times 15, C, teachers plus 28, D, teachers plus 42. Number 3. On a certain map, 2.5 inches represents 15 miles. Bay City and Greenwood are 4 inches apart on the map. What is the actual distance between Bay City and Greenwood? A, 24 miles, B, 30 miles, C, 36 miles, D, 40 miles. Number 4. It takes Benjamin 28 minutes to mow 2 lawns. Assuming the lawns are the same size and Benjamin works at the same speed, about how long will it take him to mow 5 lawns? A, 14 minutes, B, 60 minutes, C, 70 minutes, D, 84 minutes. Number 5. The numbers in the table below show an additive relationship. A, 10, 11, 12, B, 4, X, Y. What are the 2 possible values for X and Y? A, X equals 5, Y equals 5. B, X equals 5, Y equals 6. C, X equals 6, Y equals 7. D, X equals 10, Y equals 8. Which of the following is equal to the product of 3.5 and 4/7? A, 1/4, B, 1/2, C, 2, D, 3.5. Number 7. Salvatore charges $9 per hour for babysitting. Kendra charges $8.50 per hour. If they both work for 6 hours, how much more money would Salvatore earn? A, $3, B, $3.50, C, $4, D, $4.50. Number 8. Anna can buy 3 sweatshirts for a total of $45. How much would it cost if she were to buy 5 sweatshirts at the same price? A. $15, B. $45, C. $60, D. $75. Number 9. The ratio of blue chairs to red chairs in Mrs. Vickers' class is 2 to 5. Which of the following cannot represent the total number of chairs in Mrs. Vickers' class? A. 14, B. 20, C. 28, D. 35. Number 10. The ratio of red marbles to blue marbles in a bag is 3 to 4. Which of the following is a possible total number of marbles? A. 21, B. 30, C. 32, D. 40. You have reached the end of your test. Please go back and listen to any of these questions that you may need to review again. Double check that you have answered all possible questions. And make sure that your name is at the top of the page and enter this into DMAC. Once entered into DMAC, turn in your test, your scratch paper, and your review to Mrs. Dipvig.